Elastic bandage.
Elastic bandages help secure wraps, relieve swelling and promote healing, ideal for strains and sprains, can be used to protect many body parts such as ankles, wrists, etc. It's a very useful daily first aid item.
Tourniquet.
When the extremities are bleeding profusely, tie the tourniquet over the wound. It can quickly control extremity bleeding. Small size, can be applied with one hand, used by both conventional and special operation forces. It's an indispensable outdoor first aid item.
First aid kit.
There should be common first aid supplies such as gauze bandages, alcohol cotton, band-aids, tourniquets, etc. Generally speaking, there should be a first aid kit at home, company, school, etc.
Automated CPR device.
This machine is used when the wounded suffers cardiac and respiratory arrest during emergency treatment. It can intermittently and periodically give oxygen under pressure, which can enhance the blood flow of the heart and brain.
Automated external defibrillator.
AE is automatic defibrillation or semi-automatic defibrillation. The use of the machine does not require professional medical knowledge. The machine automatically analyzes and judges how many joules of energy to hit, so generally speaking, as long as you have carefully read the instructions, you can use it.
Defibrillator. The defibrillator can control a certain amount of energy to flow through the heart, thereby eliminating certain arrhythmias. Different from automatic defibrillation, it can only be used manually, and requires a doctor to use. Emergency stretcher.
The emergency stretcher is used to transfer the wounded, and the unique folding design enables it to be pushed directly into the ambulance. It greatly reduces the secondary injury of the wounded, saves time and effort, and enables the wounded to be treated in time.
Folding stretcher.
This stretcher with wheels, legs and foldable, it's small size and lightweight, easy to carry, often used in hospitals, gymnasiums, ambulances, battlefields to transport patients and wounded.
Vacuum mattress stretcher.
Ambulance vacuum mattress stretcher is a medical device used to immobilize a patient, especially in the case of trauma to the vertebrae, pelvis or extremities.